Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to second day talking to myself in English in order to get better vocabulary speaking and listening. So I hope I can go to abroad. I know it's a different thing that I did yesterday because today is really special. You know what? Just now I have done my what how you can say Luminencia production or uh, what testing cow milk, and it's really sudden from the lecture. Actually, it has been announced for 1 weeks before the lesson. Yeah, but I real yesterday it gonna be postponed. It should be postponed for the next Monday, but after I woke up like at 7 a.m. and I just read. I don't really usually I don't wake up at 7 o'clock. The normal schedule is around 5 or 6, and it really made me shocked. So I went there with my brother using motorcycle because the time is not enough for me to go to campus using bicycle. That's what I did. And today it made me take my breakfast in the campus. Usually when you are to campus and having a lesson with the lecturer, it different with between the age of lecturer is really different. Some of them have a relaxing presence. They don't pressure the student, the collegian, collegian too much. But in some cases, there are the lecturer that really want to push their religion to the limit. But yeah, it's really a normal thing because everyone is human, and each of people have their own characteristic, have their own mindset. So I don't really mind about it. But when the schedule is not running on what I expected, then this thing that I usually have. I don't eat my breakfast at home. I go to the location in a hurry, rushing, and hope that the lecturer will let me in. Yeah, but there is one event that make me miss the class because I woke up at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, and I think Wednesday is a free day. I don't have to think too much about my lesson because the original schedule is supposed to be started at 9 o'clock. So I have much time, isn't it? No, not 9 o'clock. Half 10, so half 10 or half 11. So I usually spare some of my time around one hour to go to campus in order not to be late. And I just realized that in Wednesday there is a class that starts around 8 o'clock. And it made me that is very good. Okay, let me continue from the story that I learned. At that day, it made me uh, not it made me not attending the class at that moment because the teacher is super strict. Like we promise that we make some contract that if we are late before 15 minutes from the class started, it should be okay for the collegian to go the her class. But at some moment that I saw my friend, when 8 o'clock is when the lesson will be started, and my friend came at around 5, no, 8 past 5 o'clock, and the teacher will be upset and yeah, could you come 5 minutes earlier than 8 o'clock? So I understand that the lecturer want to build some characteristic and personalities for the collegian for the student. Um, but at least, uh, but it really told me that the thing that we promised in last time and the practical thing that happened in the present is really different. So special for this teacher or this one, I usually spend more time, like what, 10 minutes more before the class. I usually come to class is come to class 10 minutes or 5 minutes before the class is started. But special for this teacher, I will spend I will spend more time, like 20 minutes before the class started. I hope that I can come to her class before the class is started. That's it, the fun fact thing that you will find maybe in Indonesia and the other country that have college. Have done my uh, I have done my training, speaking thing. I have done my training for today. I just realized that my battery is running low, so maybe today will be short yesterday. But estimately, I have learned or tried to speak with myself for 30 minutes. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye bye.